everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to redeem Love2Shop gift card online. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to the URL box at the top. Type in love2shop.co.uk and press enter. You'll end up in this page where it says what would you like to do today. Click on this link that says manage, activate and spend Love2Shop button right here and you'll end up in this page. Make sure to log into your account if you are not yet, and once you are, go to your human icon located at the upper right hand corner and give it a click. Click on manage my cards button in the pop-up menu, and now if you have not activated your gift card yet, you can type it in here in this text box. Make sure to type in the information correct. Your gift card number will be available at the back of your gift card, or if you've received it online, then you'll be able to find it in your email inbox. Click on the submit button after typing in your gift card number into the text box, and you'll be able to activate or redeem your gift card with Love2Shop. Now once you do that, whenever you make a purchase online from Love2Shop, you'll be able to redeem your gift card during the checkout process. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.